Market profile is responsible for a complete turnaround in my trading career. Whatever I have managed to achieve in the last few years, I owe it completely to market profile. With that out of the way, let us now look at what exactly is market profile, why I love it so much, and what it can do for you in your trading. And finally, we will look at some good and bad about how market profile is portrayed in Indian markets. Finally, market profile is and always will be the cornerstone of my trading career. Before we start to understand what market profile is, it is more important to understand what it is not. It is not a trading system or a trading method, and definitely it is not the holy grail or a solution to all your trading problems. After listening to this, you might ask, if it is none of this, why even bother to learn market profile? That is exactly what I thought when I first came across market profile. I found it to be very complicated and I thought that it will only increase my confusion, and rightly so, I gave up on it. But what will help you more is understanding why I gave up on market profile and what was my exact mindset when I did so. Please don't skip this part, because most of the times we avoid making changes, avoid giving up with what we already know, even if that is not helping us in our trading. This part will give you the much needed clarity that every one of us is searching for in our trading. Alright, so what was my mindset exactly when I came across market profile, found it to be complicated, and finally gave it up? At that time, I was using Elliott wave analysis as my primary technical analysis tool. I was using it with traditional technical analysis indicators. Furthermore, I was in the search of the holy grail, that one system or method that will solve all my trading problems. I was not very good at managing my risk, still looking for entry, exit and stop loss, and my definition of trade management was a trailing stop loss. I'm not saying that Elliott wave analysis or traditional technical indicators are bad per se. I'm not saying that at all. But what I'm trying to say here is that there was an obvious flaw in my thinking process at that point in time. The biggest problem I faced while using these tools was to find the answer to the question why market does what it does. Every rise and fall in the market would put me in a tizzy. I failed to understand why the markets went up, why they went down, why they always contradicted what my trading view was. And that hurt my confidence when I was trying to put on trades. And the long search for the answer to the question why market does what it does kept me searching for something more. Now let us try and answer the question how market profile can benefit you. And to understand that, it would help if you look at my journey with market profile. I kept using market profile on and off. I would use it, I would give up on it, and then I would revisit it again after some time. But this time I made a commitment and I said I'll continue with this for a while. And I started to see some answers emerge, but still made no significant progress, and I was ready to give up on it one more time. What used to happen was every time I got an insight using a market profile chart, one of my traditional technical analysis tools or Elliott wave analysis would contradict it. And in the end, I would end up missing out on the opportunity. So despite having a very powerful tool at my hand, I was not able to take the full benefit of it. And this was happening far too often for me to take note of it. And I said, unless and until I make some drastic changes, I'm not going to come out of this situation. And that is exactly what I did. And what I did was I decided to pursue market profile and market profile only for one full year. I will only analyze the markets using market profile chart, and I decided to give up on all the traditional tools, methods and philosophies and focus on just market profile for 1 year. Not only did I give up on all my old methods of analyzing the markets, I also decided that I will not trade for 1 year. I just wanted to focus on market profile and what information it gave us. Every day, I would come in before the markets would open, make my analysis, then observe that analysis playing out in the markets, and after the market closed, I would stay late and make some post-market analysis. This went on for 1 full year. I could not even afford a legitimate market profile software in those days. All I had was the free AmiBroker AFL for market profile. So what happened after this 1 year? Throughout this year, I got to understand that market profile was a very comprehensive tool to analyze the markets. It definitely was not a trading system that will give you just buy and sell signals. It was much more than that. Now, what this tool will help you understand is why market does what it does. Each and every move in the market can be explained logically. But in the early days of using market profile, this used to happen in the hindsight. But as years have passed, I have developed a complete framework around market profile, which I proudly call as the LCTR framework. And what it helps me with is to convert my understanding of the market into real-time trade opportunities. One thing that never happened after that year was I never looked back at any of the old tools, methods, indicators, or philosophies that I was using earlier. Market profile was it. Now let us understand what market profile can do for you. For those who are new to market profile and are still plagued by the need to know in advance what the market is going to do, let me state very clearly first what market profile can't do. It won't give you entry and exit signals because it is not a trading system. Although we are trying to look at patterns on a market profile chart, it is not a pattern recognition system like price action or harmonics. Market profile will give you behavioral patterns of traders but not repeatable price patterns. Market profile will not tell you the exact place to put your stop loss or your entry and exit points. Now, market profile also cannot be used as a very strict rule-based trading system because the whole point of market profile is to give you the flexibility to be in sync with the ever-changing markets. Now, with all these limitations or all these things that market profile can't do, you may ask whether there is even a point to try and learn market profile. Well, for me, there is. Now, let me tell you what are the things that market profile will help you achieve. First and foremost, it will help you answer the question why market does what it does. It will help you assess the confidence of buyers and sellers at any given point in time in the markets. It will also help you identify the different time frames that are active in the markets at any given point in time. More importantly, it will help you identify the time frame that is suitable for you, that best suits your trading personality. It will also help you assess the risk that is present in the markets at any point in time. In fact, it can help you monitor the risk on a continuous basis. And this realization was a game changer for me. If you still believe that putting in a stop loss is all risk management that you have to do, you are in for a rude awakening. Overall, market profile can give you some tangible benefits. At the same time, a lot of intangible benefits which will change your trading forever. One thing I would say is that the most important thing to be able to successfully trade with market profile is to unlearn the garbage that we have been putting in our head for so long. Often it is the things that we have learned in the past that prevents us from moving forward, from taking up something new, from learning something new which has the potential to change your life forever and for better. So if you are going to compare market profile with your existing trading method, just don't bother. Stop right now. But yes, if you are looking for a radical change in your trading, if you want to make some drastic changes because you want to achieve some different results, then I'm here for you. I will walk with you on your journey to learning and ultimately using market profile in your real-time trading. But please understand, the journey is going to be a long and hard one, but the final destination is consistent trading profitability. Now, I'm going to make much more videos in this series which will help you understand what market profile is and how you can use it in your trading. So stay tuned if you want to learn more about this fantastic tool called as market profile. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next one.